Bugsy Siegel's audacious vision for the Flamingo Hotel and Casino forever changed the landscape of Las Vegas, transforming a dusty desert town into a world-renowned gambling and entertainment hub. This video explores Bugsy Siegel's role in the development of the Flamingo, his ambitious aspirations, and the lasting impact his creation had on Las Vegas. Bugsy Siegel, the visionary gangster. Bugsy Siegel was an ambitious and charismatic mobster from New York City who saw the untapped potential of Las Vegas. Alongside his associates and financial support from organized crime, Siegel set out to build a grandiose hotel and casino that would rival the best in the world. He believed that the allure of luxury accommodations, glamorous entertainment, and high-stakes gambling could draw in the wealthiest clientele. The birth of the Flamingo. Construction on the Flamingo Hotel began in late 1945 in the heart of the Las Vegas Strip. The multi-million-dollar project faced numerous challenges, including cost overruns and construction delays. However, Siegel's tenacity and determination drove the project forward, pushing the boundaries of luxury and elegance in the desert. With its pink exterior, stunning gardens, and top-notch entertainment, the Flamingo aimed to embody Siegel's vision of opulence and exclusivity. Controversies and skimming allegations. While the Flamingo Hotel eventually became a success, its construction and management were mired in controversy. Bugsy Siegel was accused of skimming funds from the casino's profits by siphoning off a portion for personal gain, a common practice in the era. This not only displeased some of his associates and partners within organized crime but also heightened law enforcement scrutiny. The allegations of skimming would contribute to Siegel's eventual downfall. The infamous opening and legacy. Despite the challenges and controversies, the Flamingo Hotel and Casino opened its doors on December 26, 1946. The lavish opening attracted prominent guests, including Hollywood stars and influential figures from across the country. However, initial success was short-lived. The Flamingo struggled to turn a profit under Siegel's management due to ongoing construction costs, luxurious hotel rooms that remained unoccupied, and the skimming allegations that continued to haunt him. Siegel's violent demise. On June 20, 1947, Bugsy Siegel met a brutal end. As he relaxed in his girlfriend's Beverly Hills home, an assassin fired multiple shots from outside, killing him instantly. While the true motives behind the assassination remain a subject of speculation, it is widely believed that Siegel's financial irregularities and his strained relationships with prominent mobsters contributed to his assassination. Legacy and the transformation of Las Vegas. Despite his untimely demise, Bugsy Siegel's impact on Las Vegas cannot be overstated. The Flamingo Hotel laid the foundation for the transformation of Las Vegas into a gambling and entertainment mecca. Today, the Las Vegas Strip is home to countless extravagant hotels, casinos, and entertainment venues, all owing their existence, in part, to Siegel's audacious vision and the Flamingo's pioneering success. Conclusion. Bugsy Siegel's Flamingo Hotel and Casino ignited the evolution of Las Vegas from a humble desert town to a global gambling and entertainment capital. Siegel's determination and ambition to create a luxurious destination for high rollers and the elite forever shaped the city's identity. While controversies and his violent demise overshadowed his achievements, Bugsy Siegel's name will always be associated with the birth of Las Vegas and the glamorous allure of the Flamingo.